Hi everyone, this is Shiva here. I work as Head of Sales Engineering at Fieldproxy. So today let's look into how sales orders can be collected using a Fieldproxy application, right? So before I deep dive into the application, so basically what it does is it helps you field agents to collect the orders in a much easier way through using our application, yeah? And all the data that is there will be reflected in a much attractive way in a dashboards for you as a manager. So let's first look into the application and how you can use it. So this is our Fieldproxy app. So as soon as you go in, there is sales orders, right? So once your agent clicks in there are a set of customers data who are already prior filled in by you. So let's say there's only one customer here. So let's click on him. And if you want to place some order, your field agent will be able to update whatever the customer requirements are. Post that he'll be able to look at the price and able to code it to the customer. Post that the response is recorded, right? So once the data is submitted, it goes automatically saved in of it, right? Now let me also show you the backend and how it works. So this is the backend of the system, right? And if you look at it, it's quite simple. You have a set of predefined customers, data who upload onto the system, and your field agent will just go and with the catalog and just collect orders, right? Now, what happens to all this data that has been collected here, right? It reflects in a very attractive dashboards, right? So this is the dashboard that we'll be able to present to you, sales order metrics dashboard, right? And there you can see for this month how much revenue as a whole is generated. And you can also see, for example, last week how much it is generated. But don't get me wrong, it is just not this month. You'll be able to play around with the dates which you want to see it for. Right? And if you go down further down, you can also see agent wise how much revenue is generated. For example, John has generated so much, so and so amount of revenue here, etc. And some other metrics also you'll be able to see. So your top 25% of customers are able to generate 63% of your revenue, and top 25 to 50% of your customers are able to generate 28% of your revenue, right? And if you go further down, you can also see on average number of visits and how much revenue you're generating. For example, 8 visits, if your agent is paying 8 visits, this is the amount of revenue they're able to generate. And if it's 3 visits, seems to be quite productive here, right? 14,000 so odd number of revenues generated here. And going further down, you can also see in depth, what all the purchases have been done, what are the product name, how much is revenues generated, etc. Right? So this is the overall dashboard, and this is how the data is reflected for you, right? I hope you have a better understanding after watching this video, but of course, if you have more queries, feel free to reach out to us. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.